The Skyline Quick-Release Scope cover provides complete protection for your rifle scope in action at a minimum weight of 2.1 ounces. The unique design of this ultralight cover will keep dust, debris, and water out of your scope in action to help prevent damage to your optics or the malfunction of your rifle action due to debris and ice. Constructed with 2 layers of 3-layer waterproof SG HydraShield fabric and hydrophobic foam padding, the cover provides padded protection without absorbing any moisture and can be quickly removed using an innovative, adjustable system for quick shots in the field. Hey, this is Kurt with Stone Glacier. I'm going to take you through the function of the Skyline Quick-Release Scope cover. We're also going to take you through how to size and how to fit the scope cover. So the scope cover is designed to fit a variety of different configurations. It'll fit everything from a bolt action with a classic stock to a chassis to even a gas gun. The first step to size is going to be to take a length measurement of the scope, and then we're going to use that measurement to find the corresponding size of scope cover. The first step to sizing your rifle scope is going to be to take a length measurement on the scope. One of the things that we want to keep in mind is that when we do take a length measurement, you want to run it over the top of the turret. So if you have larger elevation turret, take that measurement over the top. As we can see on this one, this comes in at 12.25. If you have any questions or fall right on a break, please size up. The Skyline scope cover comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Our scope measured 12.25 inches. When we reference the chart, we can see that this is a size small. To fit the Skyline scope cover, put the scope cover on the rifle. Our next step is going to be to take the gray tab, pass it to the opposite side of the pistol grip, reach under, grab the cord lock, pass it to your side. Cord lock goes through the loop that has the gray tab. We want this gray tab to land directly on the spine of the rifle, and this is for 2 reasons. The first is it makes the tab accessible from either side. The second is it provides the cleanest disconnect. So when we pull straight back, the cord lock disconnects very quickly. We'll reattach it. However, if you position the tab over on the side, I'm pulling against the cord lock and it does not disconnect. Leave the tab right there, quickly disconnects. On a chassis or on an AR platform, the routing for the shock cord might be different depending on the length of the scope, where the pistol grip lines, all of the different types of specifics of the configuration. On this rifle, you can run the shock cord behind the pistol grip. However, you see when I do that, it doesn't pull the back down quite as much and doesn't have quite as much coverage. So on this particular configuration, it's preferred to run it in front of the pistol grip and come back up to the top. That pulls the scope down tight and provides the action and trigger assembly more coverage. Depending on the sizing of the scope cover for your specific platform, you may end up with a long tail that you want to contain. You have 2 different options. The first is you can loosen the loop on the cord lock, pass the tail through, tighten, and you can contain that. This is a good option if you are swapping the scope cover in between different rifles and need that added length. If you want to permanently shorten, the cord lock can be removed. Simply poke up from the bottom on the shock cord. The top will come out. The little piece on top that contains it will come off. Slide the cord lock down to the desired length. Trim. Replace your cord lock and push it back down in. That completes our fit and install of the Skyline scope cover. Again, to deploy, Pull the gray tab straight back and the scope cover comes right off. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the shop.